Yes, indeed, my friends. It's your boy, Papa Gato Got Kicks, here with another unboxing and review. So, ordered these, was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. They dropped on the, 2 days ago. They dropped on the Nike site. You know, the pull tab means it's straight from Nike. I'm a little excited about these. Like I said, something funky, different. You know, I like to get down. So every year, for the most part, they drop, for Chinese New Year, they drop a couple of different things. They drop a Kobe and a couple other sneakers in their lineup that pay respect to that year's, how do you say, mascot of spirit animal, we'll say, that represents that year for Chinese New Year. So as you know, I have right here, one of my favorites is, this was the 2023 Year of the Dragon. I mean, it was beautiful. It has like dragon scale. It has this satiny interior, the gold. This is a hit. And every time I walk out with these, I get compliments. These are so fire. So they came out with these. You know, your boy, size 10, these dunks. Let's see what we got here. Yes, indeed. So this is 2026 Chinese New Year, Year of the Horse. As you can see, there is crazy detail here. They got all this stitching going on. It's not even stitching, it's raised material. You see the horse there for Year of the Horse. Red Nike on the back. It's got like a baby swoosh inside of the big swoosh here. A bunch of different materials. You got leather, nubuck. It's like an olive nubuck. You got some tumble, actually the like shiny tumble leather. You got some nice stitching there too. These are fire. You got the little horse symbol on the tongue. Let me just check the other one. Yep, the other one is pretty much the same. Boom. These bad girls definitely going in my collection. These are fire. No laces or anything, but that's all right. Just these laces is fine. And you know, you got on the tongue some pastel. Looks like some kind of sunrise, sunset kind of thing going on there. Yeah, man. Yeah, these are hitting for sure. 2026 Year of the Horse Nike Dunk. Feeling that. I got another package. So, Staple NYC had a sale. Half off the entire website. Could not resist. There was a couple of pieces that I had seen before, and I was like, I don't know, should I get them? Should I not get them? This one I definitely wanted to cop. My wife's gonna kill me because I already have a green bomber, but boom, Staple Pigeon green bomber. Yeah, flavor. Love that. What else did I get here? I got fluorescent. This is a hoodie? I don't even remember what I got. No, this is like a crew neck. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, okay. That. Booyaka. Staple. Flavor. I got a large and it's big too, so. Oh. And yeah, digging that. I got some phones that'll go dope with that. And anything else? Yeah, and I got this hat because it is brick out here in New York. We're a little upstate from New York City. It is cold as balls up here. Look at that. Boom, representing for the city. Got the Staple, yeah, digging that. Comfy, got the little. Anyway, Nike Dunk 2026 Year of the Horse flavors. Super flavors. Definitely going in my collection. Anyway, your boy Papa Gato Got Kicks. Thanks for following. We just made like 800 viewers on Instagram, which is dope. I mean, listen, doesn't sound like much in the grand scheme of things, but that's 800 people that I appreciate that would click that follow button because they saw something in my content that they appreciated. And I appreciate all of you for that. That's why I keep doing this. Keep moving, keep reviewing kicks, and keeping with the culture. Your boy Papa Gato Got Kicks. Like, follow, and subscribe. Peace.